Start. We have heard learned counsel for the parties. Full stop. A preliminary objection is raised by learned counsel for respondent number 5, that is project proponent. Full stop. The tenor of the objection is that the appeal is not maintainable in as much as the order impugned is dated 13/10/2010, which was rendered prior to commencement of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. Full stop. It is argued that the order passed before commencement of the special enactment cannot be challenged by way of an appeal in the tribunal which did not exist as on the date of such order. Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent number 5 invited our attention to judgment of this tribunal in appeal number 14/2011. Full stop. By the said judgment, a division bench of this tribunal categorically held that the appeal against order passed prior to commencement of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 is not maintainable. Full stop. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010 came into force on 18/7/2010. Full stop. A combined reading of relevant provisions, particularly Section 16 of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010, will make it amply clear that the appeal cannot be filed against any order passed prior to 18/10/2010 stanza. In our opinion, the appeal is governed by specific provision within bracket section 16 of the special enactment. Full stop. It is well settled that there is no inherent right to prefer an appeal. Full stop. It is also well settled that an appeal is creature of statute. Full stop. It follows therefore that unless there is specific right available under an enactment to prefer an appeal, the same cannot be filed as a matter of right. Full stop. Section 16 of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 reads as follows. Full stop. An order or decision made on or after the commencement of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 by the appellate authority under section 28 of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Full stop. Provided that the tribunal may, if it is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by sufficient cause from filing the appeal within the said period, allow it to be filed under this section within a further period not exceeding 60 days. Full stop. The prescribed a period of limitation to prefer an appeal is of 30 days. Full stop. That period of limitation can be extended up to 60 days. Full stop. It follows that at the most the limitation period can be stretched up to the period of 90 days. Full stop. It is right that when a specific provision for limitation is provided under a special statute, the general provisions of the Limitation Act 1963 are inapplicable. Full stop. Over.